In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to disable the warning that you may receive over non-secure website connections, basically HTTP, on your Safari web browser. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the Safari item or button up in the menu bar, and then select Settings. Select the Security tab here. And if it says non-secure site connections, warn before connecting to a website over HTTP. If you want to disable that, just go ahead and make sure that is unchecked and then close out of that window, and then you should be good to go. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.